If you want to set a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our lock screen and AOD. Open it up. Now here, find your screen lock and biometrics. You will be prompted to enter your current PIN if you have one, of course. So keep in mind, for setting up a fingerprint, you have to set up a screen lock first. So if you already have it, go directly through fingerprints. If not, bother yourself creating a PIN first. Now let's press on the fingerprints, press continue, and follow the simple on-screen instructions. So let's press register. Now we have to enter our finger and hold it until this green scale will be fully loaded, right? Just like this. Make sure that your finger is inside of that circle, put it back, put it down, up. So keep on pressing and eventually you'll get to your 100%. Great. So now you'll have an ability to add up a new fingerprint, maybe other finger or another person. I'll press done for now, and basically that's it. Make sure that your fingerprint unlock is on and your fingerprint is always on. Now let's turn off our phone and let's try unlocking it with the fingerprint. As you see, works perfectly. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.